Today I'm going to show you guys how to do front brakes, Nissan Juke. So what you need to do is grab your 14mm, 19mm ratchet wrench, or a combination of the two. You know what I'm trying to say. Screwdriver, C-clamp, or a big set of channel locks. First thing you want to do is throw your screwdriver up in there. Get this piston push back. Okay, now it's a little push back. I'll take your 14mm, loosen that bottom bolt up. See that there? Oh, right there. Flip the whole caliper bracket up. Caliper up. Next, you have two more bolts in the back. I already started to loosen them up. And take those two bolts out. They're 19mm. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Whoa! It's the tack of the caliper bracket. Now you have the rotor. Sometimes you need a hammer. Take the hammer, hit it right here, and then it'll come loose. A little brake clean. You want to always clean the rotor off. They put like a little packing oil on it from the factory. You want to get that all cleaned up. Had to flex my strength. You like that one-hander? Clean it down again. You want to kind of do the same thing with your caliper bracket. Just clean it. Clean it, clean it, clean it. Now that I got my bracket back on, I got my bracket bolts hand tight. I use a pretty long snap on the ratchet here because you need the leverage to get it loose. So I use the same thing to tighten it. Oops, sorry, got my finger missed a shot. Next thing you do, load some brake pads in there. Okay, they have this little clip on here, so you gotta kind of be nifty with it. Slide the pad in on that clip, and then slide the brake pad in. If your pads don't go in that simple, then you should have sprung and got the little bit more expensive pads. Those cheap pads suck getting in. And you just slide it on like that, and then slide it down. Well, now, if it won't clear like this, that means my piston is still sticking out too far. So I'm going to swing that up. And I'll use my handy dandy channel locks. Ugh. That's all. A little bit of hand strength. Now, watch this. Voila. Still won't go all the way in. Next thing you want to look at is this right here. See that? Just needs to be pushed in a little bit more. There we go. Get your bolt, hand tighten it as far as you can do it. And simply tighten it up the rest of the way. Whoops, that was loosened. This is tight. Boom, tight. So now, get your wheel and stuff back on. Don't forget to pump the brakes. If you don't pump the brakes, you won't have a brake pedal. Pump it 3 or 4 times with the car off, and you're good to go. Again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe first. I give you all this good content. I helped you save all this money. Now just help me out and hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. Take care.